All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to take two Python function decorators and chain them together. We're going to wrap them together. Now, the most straightforward way is just use wraps from functools. Don't try to do this yourself. They already gave you a built-in module with a great function to do it. So here, we're just going to import wraps from functool. And what the task I'm going to do here, and this I could see doing this in the real world, I'm going to make two functions, HTML hello world and HTML goodbye world. And those are going to print out some basic text. Now I would like to wrap that text in bold and italic tags like it was going in an HTML page. Now I'd like to be able to change the order in which I do it or not worry about it. Maybe bolds on the inside and italics on the outside. And so how would I do that with Python decorators? So we're going to create our function make bold, and inside of it we're going to use that wraps function that we were talking about from functool. Now because you're passing it into a decorator, it's going to call it with the function, and so then we're going to wrap that function that was passed in. We're going to create our definition of our internal wrapper where we pull in the arguments and the keyword arguments in args and kwargs, and then I'm going to return bold wrapped around, calling the original function with the original arguments and keyword arguments, and then return that wrapper. I'm going to do the exact same thing for make italic. Then look at the difference. I do make bold, at make italic for HTML hello world, and I make the opposite for HTML goodbye world. And sure enough, when I print them out, I have italic on the hello world and bold on the inside on the goodbye world. There's a lot more to decorators, but I assume since you searched this topic, you already know the basics. I am going to create a set of videos just about all the ins and outs of decorators because they're super powerful, but usually very confusing when you see them for the first time. Subscribe to this channel, hit like below, help me build an audience here, and I'll see you in the next video.